Hey, what's up, guys? Hope y'all are doing good. I'm doing well. In this video, I'm gonna showcase my portfolio that has gone down almost $6,000 from its peak, and currently I have $197,000 in this account. As you see, today the performance has been QQQ went down 1% more today, and the current price of QQQ or triple Qs is at $514 after hours. It has gone up 0.25%. My average cost is $439.71. So my total return so far is 17.01%. Today I lost over 1% on QQQ, but what I do is I sell covered calls on my QQQ position. What it does is it generates me some passive income. Of course, it's not a lot considering I've invested over $50,000. I'm making $50 to $100 every single month by selling covered calls way out of the money, and then that money that I collect as a premium for selling covered call, I buy more shares of QQQ. So if you see here, I have 105.41 shares. So all these over 100 shares have been bought with the reinvestment of the premiums that I've gained basically from selling covered calls. So that is the position for QQQ today. On the SPY side, the S&P 500 index ETF, it was down another 0.5% today. After hour, it's up 0.18%. But my position here, my average cost is $566, so still I'm in green. I'm up 5% overall for today's portfolio. My portfolio has gone down 0.33% for the day. I currently hold 94.75 shares, but I have $110 of daily recurring investment order for SPY so that I can build this position every single day. I'm investing $110 from my own pocket to this, and the money that I contribute for this is my 9 to 5 job income. I am a cloud engineer, AWS cloud engineer, and I have a good paying job. So I invest the money that I don't, I don't spend. So then SPY, of course, it can go down, but if you look at just a week back, it was hovering around $613 per share, and now it's $595. So basically, when I see that, am basically buying $110 worth of SPY every single day. So I collected at $593.74. I collected 0.185 shares today. And for this overall total return for S&P 500, I'm up 5%. And again, like it's a long-term investment, so I'm not gonna pull money out, even though I think in the short term the market may go down. So this is how SPY position looks like. Then my third biggest position is SCHD. There's a reason that I have invested in SCHD. SCHD basically tracks the US dividend equity 100 stocks index, and then SCHD does at its reconstitution in the month of March, which is coming up really soon. But my cost basis for SCHD is $24.21. I have over 1,574 shares, which is 25%, over 25% portfolio diversity. I'm up 17% on SCHD. I have over $6,600 equity or in positive. Today it went up 0.667%. So unlike Nasdaq and S&P 500, these are pretty much the dividend blue chip companies, which are all up apparently, and so that's why I have a positive return for the day for SCHD. This is basically complementing my aggressive investment portfolio like SPY and QQQ. So when they are down, SCHD tends to hold its value well. And then with SCHD 1500 plus shares, I'm making $100 per month in dividends as well. So those dividends get reinvested. And if you see here, these dividends do get reinvested. So $412 was my last quarter's dividend total income that I collected, and all that $412 were reinvested to get more shares of SCHD. My average cost is $24.21. And currently, the market value, if I were to sell all of my shares, I'll be able to collect $44,783. So that's why I try to keep SCHD in my portfolio as a hedge for QQQ. If you look at the intersection or the common stocks between QQQ and SCHD, it's almost 0%. What that means is the stocks that QQQ holds, SCHD doesn't, and then it diversify my returns. Basically, when QQQ is down over 1%, SCHD is up over 0.67%. So that's something that I did intentionally and then invested in these two ETFs. Outside of those, I do make passive income by selling options, and ETF that I picked for selling options is SOXL and TQQQ. These are the two ETFs that I sell options on mainly. I do sometimes sell option on MSTX as well, which is MicroStrategy's two times bull ETF. It's a leverage ETF, meaning if MicroStrategies goes up $1, that MSTX will go up $2 for the day or 2% for that day. But and that's highly volatile, of course, because MicroStrategy is holding almost 499,000 bitcoins, and Bitcoin prices, as you have seen, have tanked to 88,000. Just 1 month back, they were hovering over 100 and close to $105,000. So if you had one Bitcoin, you have lost 12 and 4, 12 and 5, almost $17,000 on Bitcoin there. So MicroStrategy follows that. So that's why I'm trying to keep away from that in these turbulent times. But on SOXL, the 9 contracts that I've sold, I sold with the strike price of $25 per share for 900 shares or 9 contracts, and I collected $278. But what I'm seeing here, so this is 209 contract for 200 for $31 per contract, so $278 were credited to me. But what I'm seeing is, if you see here, SOXL has dropped down in price. I sold a casket put somewhere here when the stock was hovering around somewhere here. I think on Monday it was around $28, and I sold a casket put at $25. Currently, the price of of SOXL is at $25.25. I will see by Thursday if the price is below $25 or even around $25. I will roll this option contract, basically all 9 contracts, and I will roll them to a lower price so my cost basis goes down, and then I'll collect more premium at that as well. So this is how it is going. I think this is all I wanted to share in this video. If you have any other video in mind, or you wanted to learn how to sell cash ticket puts or covered calls, do let me know in the comment section below. I do have made videos on most of these topics already, and this is basically my investment journey, and this is the journey for retirement that I'm working towards. I will be retiring in 15 to 17 years if all goes by plan. If not, 20 to 25 years is my retirement horizon. Anyways, so I hope I will retire healthy and earlier than the regular average age in the US. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Take it easy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.